Let's try some examples and see if we can find which number system these numbers fall into. Okay, so the easiest way to do this is to start with the natural numbers. So is 4.56 a natural number? Well, 4.56 is not a natural number. Is it a whole number? No, it's not a whole number. Whole numbers are only countable numbers and zero. Is it a integer? Nope, not an integer, it's a decimal. So that brings us to rational. Well, is this a rational number? Yep, this is a rational number. It can be written as a fraction. Since it's rational, it's not irrational, but all rational numbers are also real numbers. So the two number sets that it fits into are rational and real. Now let's try -7. Is -7 a natural number? Nope, it's not a natural number. Whole number? No, but it is an integer. And it is a rational number. And it is real. Okay, so that's what we're doing here for these examples. We'll try a couple more. Let's go with F. Is F a natural number? It's not a natural number or a whole number or an integer. So that brings us to rational or irrational. Well, since it's non-terminating, it goes on forever. That means it's going to be irrational or Q prime. But irrational numbers are still real numbers, so we'll put our real number in there as well. Now let's talk about example I. Example I, is this a natural number? Yeah, if we counted high enough, we could definitely count to that number. Is it a whole number? Yeah, it's a whole number. What about an integer? This is also an integer. Now, is it rational or irrational? It's a regular whole number, so it's rational, and it is a real number. Okay, now let's take a look down here at our next set of examples. These examples give us a set, and we have to decide which of this set fits into each one of these number sets. So, Z is an integer, so we have to decide what is an integer and what is not. Well, in this case, our integers are going to be -1 and 240. Remember, 0 is not an integer. It's where it divides it. Now Q. Q is our rational numbers. So what do we have here that's rational? Well, we have -2.7, -6/5, -1, 0, 4/5. Pi is irrational, and 240 is rational. The natural numbers, all we have here is 240.